Stop calling for a ceasefire. It is not going to get us anywhere.
Bag at. Gotta move smarter, gotta move harder. If you try to give me by my water, I lay his ass down on my son, on my daughter. I had the Draco with me Dwayne Carter. Lot of niggas out here playing they ball. I done put my whole arm in the rim, Vince Carter. And I know I'm trying to get